what is St. Patrick's Day without a green cocktail? So I thought, well, what kind of cocktail should we make? So you know what I picked, because, you know, my kitchen, my choice, right? We are making a jalapeno margarita, which those of you guys watch all the time know is my favorite. But we are going to add a little twist here. So I've got my shaker, and there is some ice in my shaker. So we're going to get started here with our margarita. Hello, Julia. How are you? How is Hilton Head? We are going to be making a classic jalapeno margarita here. But I'm going to prep my glass. So I made, for my special St. Patrick's Day jalapeno margarita, some green salt. Yum! Green salt to go with this. So I'm going to take my lime. I just took some margarita salt and I put a few drops of green food coloring in there, and we have green salt. So put a little lime around the rim, and then I'm going to put my green salt around the rim. Oh my gosh. Look at how cool! Awesome. Totally awesome. Oh, I'm easily entertained. So there's that. So to our margarita here, I've got my, of course, my fancy shot glass. 1/8 of a cup is an ounce. So you can use your shot glass, or you can use your 1/8 measuring cup. So to this, I'm going to put 2 shots of tequila. And I'm going to put 1 shot, because what is a margarita without Cointreau? My absolute favorite. This is orange liqueur, but it's my favorite. So I'm going to put a shot of that in there. And then I have my jalapenos, several, sliced, like half a jalapeno sliced with the seeds. If you don't want it too spicy, you can leave out the seeds. But I'm okay with that, especially when you're serving it with ice, right? And then to give it a little extra St. Patrick's Day flair, I've got green food coloring. I got out to dye the drink, but then I thought, oh, let's dye the salt too. So to this, I'm going to add a few drops of our green food coloring, and then we're going to give this, I've got fresh lime juice that I, of course, squeezed myself. So lime juice going in, and this is going to be a heck of a cocktail. Yes, it is. So here we go. Oh my goodness, this looks yummy. How are all my people been? I'm always welcome to your ideas. Do you have any special Easter ideas you want me to do? Because today's the 1-year anniversary of our first cooking show, it came up on my feed. What else came up on my memories was a video Gary and I did for Happy St. Patrick's Day 10 years ago. Oh my gosh, down by the pier in Ventura. Can't believe it, but 10 years ago, went like that. So 1 year went like that. But now, the 100 episodes that we did during COVID, they're going to start coming up. I can repost them. Because we did them all the way from March to, I think we finished one, I think December 12th was our 100th episode. So we did Valentine's Day, we're doing today St. Patrick's Day, and I'm sure we can drum up an Easter ideas for Easter. Oh my gosh. Just making sure this is nice and cold. And nice and green. So it's feeling very cold. So let me get the lid off this. And oh my gosh, this is going to be so good. My lid will come off. Lid always gives me a hard time. Hey Bruce, how are you? Thanks for watching. I wish you were here to have my jalapeno margarita with me. So I'm going to, I think I'll strain this first so you guys can see the color. Oh my gosh, how awesome is that? Look at the color. So easily entertained. I want to get some jalapeno in my cocktail. And then of course what I love to use as a floater is this lemon elderberry soda from Trader Joe's. It's the bomb. It's my secret. Shh, don't tell anyone. And you put a little floater of this on top. And that is the ultimate jalapeno margarita St. Patrick's Day edition. Check out that color. The color of money, baby. The color of leprechauns.